Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change name on Viagogo tickets. The first thing you need to do is to visit the Viagogo web app at viagogo.com and log in using your account credentials. Once logged in, the next thing you'd like to do is to click on the profile tab in the top right corner of the screen. Then you'll be provided with a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, go ahead and select My Hub, and that's going to walk you right into the My Hub section. In the My Hub section, go ahead and locate the left-hand navigation menu, which is here, and you see a couple of options. From these options, all you need to do is to click on My Orders. Click on My Orders to view all your ticket purchases, both current and past. Then, right here, browse through the list of your orders to locate the ticket whose name you want to change. Then, click on the specific order to open the ticket details. Once you do that, review the ticket details to confirm if name changes are permitted. Viagogo tickets may not always allow name modifications due to event organizer policies. So, once you have clicked on the ticket and you're in the ticket details page, look for a change name or a D-ticket button within the ticket details, depending on your current update. Now, if the option is available, click on it to proceed with the name change process. Then a form or text field will appear, prompting you to enter the new name. Provide the full and accurate name as it should appear on the tickets. Review the updated details to ensure accuracy. Then click Confirm or Save Changes to finalize the name change request. I'd like you to know that some events may charge a fee for changing the ticket holder's name. So if applicable, follow the on-screen instructions to make the payment. Now, once the name change is processed, Viagogo will notify you via email. So all you need to do is to check your email inbox for a confirmation message and update your ticket details. Of course, once you're done, return to the My Orders section in the My Hub section and re-download the updated ticket if necessary. Ensure the ticket reflects the new name before the event. If you do not see an option to change name, go ahead and click on the customer support in the left-hand navigation menu of the My Hub to contact Viagogo support team. Check the View FAQs as well for additional guidance on name changes specific to your event. This guide ensures you follow the proper steps to change the name on your ticket using Viagogo. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. Hoping this tutorial marvelously helped you search.